What is going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. It's K's Mopars. Y'all see the car in the back? Yes, sir. Ski. But so in today's video, I'm gonna be going wider with the tires, y'all. As y'all seen in the thumbnail, I'm not gonna show y'all the rim yet. You gotta wait and see. But y'all, I'm about to go wider with the tires. We're gonna put some 315s on the back, so I'm gonna show y'all that real quick. But let's just take a quick look at this car, because my car is not dirty, and normally it is filthy, but I was in a parade yesterday, and this joint still shining, boy, still shining. Look at this.
Somebody come look at this.
That thing is still shining. Alright, y'all, so here are the tires right here. The leg signings are for the front. The full ways are them 315 joints. So I'm actually going to pull the 315s out and show y'all how they look right beside the car. Alright, y'all, so here are the tires. These are the 315s. I've had them for a while. I've just been sitting on them. They look like they're gonna fit really nice, especially with the rim that I have picked out for it. I'll show y'all the rim whenever it's on the car. But I'm gonna try to get back far enough. Get down here so y'all can see how thick. Yeah, so right now on there's 275, so I don't know if y'all can tell. Might have to bring out the camera so y'all can really see. But yeah, that thing wide. Well, y'all, about that time. Alright, y'all, I am here at the place to get this stuff mounted. There go the tires right there. I mean the rims. And the tires are right there. So we're gonna get these mounted on. I will show y'all the place, but y'all too close to my house, so can't see that. Alright, bye. That's a Mercedes. Ooh! Y'all excuse my appearance, excuse the bell. I just got my tires and my rims put on, bro. This is the first official drive. Unfortunately, I'm not getting ready to film a whole video right now because I look a hot mess. And so, and this type of thing deserves a whole video. So I am going to do a whole separate video showing y'all the rims and everything, but I just wanted to let y'all know the tires and the rims are on. I don't feel any rubbing. Doesn't drive the same. It drives the same. Everything. Hold on, let me put this belt on, y'all. Alright, I'm sorry for the angle if it's trash, which I know it is. But yeah, I am getting ready to head to the bank, and then I'm gonna park this car because I want to do like an official first drive. But let me just see what it's about though. That was no spinning. That's 70 miles an hour. Wow, that's crazy. It just went. No spinning. Whoa. Okay, but that's just a sneak peek, y'all. So I'm gonna do an official first drive, do some real good pulls for y'all, Right now, I'm just trying to make sure that my rims and stuff are put on good, and that I'm not rubbing, which I don't hear any rubbing or nothing like that. So we should be in this clear zone. I will show you guys next video. I will also do my first drive next video. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Like this video. If you want the video to come out faster, make sure you leave a like on this video, man. Share it with all your friends, your Mopar addicts, your Mopar fanatics. I always forget the second part. But yeah, guys, until next time, I will let you guys know that if you can beat your mind, you can beat the world. Much love to you and yours. God bless. I got my rims and my tires, baby. Come on now.